Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to go to creator feed in Webtoon. So guys, if you don't know how to go to the creator feed in Webtoon, then this video is for you. So guys, in order to do that, you just need to open the app first. So be on the app library and search for it. Once you tap on Webtoon over here, you would be first led to this page right here. All you need to do is look at the lower bar where you can see options like For You, Originals, Canvas, My, and more. Tap on More. And now, finally, you can see Creator Feed at the bottom, right next to Webtoon Shop. Just go ahead and tap here. There you go guys, now you're in the creator feed. Guys, that's how you go to creator feed on Webtoon. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.